welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today that's long overdue. Thank you so much for stopping by my corner, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, I am going to show you how to deadhead rose bushes. This is a rose bush that we bought and planted here 2 years ago, and I think I've only seen about 2 or 3 roses the whole time. So I decided to go ahead and deadhead the bush, and maybe next year I'll have a full head of roses. Deadheading roses is the process of trimming dead or faded blooms to encourage new blooms, so that your spare flowers don't compromise the health of the rest of your rose bush. So I've already deadhead this bush. Isn't it beautiful? It's so vibrant. And here it is, October, and it's still blooming. So you want to remove the drooping flowers from growing plants to encourage renewed growth. So here's a bush that is in desperate need of a deadhead. So what you need to do is just take something sharp and just break the stem off right underneath it. Some of them just easily come off, and some of them you have to kind of pull on. Trimming away dead flower heads throughout the blooming season promotes the development of new flower buds and keeps your garden beautiful and healthy. When a flower withers and begins to produce seeds during a normal bloom cycle, the plant devotes its energy to producing seeds rather than flowers. When you deadhead flowers, you refocus the flowering plant's energy instead of turning spent blooms into seed heads. It will return to flower production instead. You want to deadhead your roses as soon as you notice that the current blooms are fading. Roses with wilting petals that are going brown around the borders are dying off. If you want to alter your rose bushes' blooming cycles so that you always have active blooms, deadhead the plants on a schedule by removing the flowers when they open completely before they start to die off. Plan to deadhead your roses 7 weeks ahead of the season, even if they have full, beautiful blooms, so your rose bushes will have new flowers within 6 to 8 weeks. So hopefully by next spring, this will be in full bloom. And watch out for the thorns. I've already gotten pricked a couple of times. Make sure you wear gloves. I don't know what I was thinking. So here's another rose bush we have. Do you see how the leaves have collected? Leaves and spider webs. I'll just go ahead and clean that up a bit. So now you can prune the rose bush by removing the raggedy leaves and stems attached by the roses.
This is not a good environment for beautiful, vibrant roses. Got one beautiful rose holding on. Just hold on, baby. I'm gonna take care of your cousins here. Ouch. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.